If I were to ask you, what are you attracted by? Or what is attracted to you? The truth is, there is a secret to that. And the secret is not that you're attracted to something that is like you. You know, they say like attracts like. That's a lie. Don't believe it. Like does not attract like. What you are really attracted by is your opposite. The more different something is from you, the more attractive it is to you. And the same goes for the other person, or for the other person. The more different you are from them, the more they are attracted to you. This is the secret. So no, like doesn't attract like, and I'm talking about friendships. I'm talking about romantic stuff, um, all that kind of stuff. It's all about the poles, the opposites. The more difference there is between two things, the more they like each other. So now you kind of know. You know what others are like who are attracted to you. You know what you are like as you're attracted to them. You know what they're like. There is a little science behind it. It's very practical. It's not just like, oh, I like this person, I don't like this person as a friend or romantically, whatever. That being said, the other topic is, and if you don't believe me, by the way, this is what I'm going to say. If you don't believe me that opposites attract, and instead you believe like attracts like, well, what about like, say two people are in a chess club. They both like to play chess, but they can't stand each other. The truth is that the activity of chess is not what connects them. It's the fact that they like to be around each other when they like to be around each other. It's the fact that the people are opposites. That's what makes you like somebody more or less. The more different you are from them, the more you like them. Now, and that's what I was saying. Just like if you're both in a chess club but don't like each other, it's because you're too similar. But again, um, yeah. So what I was gonna say was that that is why, that's how that works. That's the attraction thing, and don't think that like attracts like. And I'm not saying that you know somebody is like a human and somebody else is like a knife. What is more attractive to you? Well, the knife is more different than the human. But no, the knife doesn't even have a soul. It's different. It's like a whole other category. And it's just not. Don't think about that way. You're attracted to what's completely opposite of you. And maybe in some spiritual way the knife is more like you than the other person you're attracted to. You can decide what you believe about that whole thing. But all I'm saying is that opposites attract and likes push away. Thanks for watching. Or not push away, because that makes it look like they're more different. Or likes attract each other because, or Jesus, I'm getting out of touch. Let me finish this video. The more different something is, the more the attraction there is towards each other. Thanks for watching.